Welcome back to another episode of What's Growing On. Hey everybody, this is Dr. Mason from Mason Wellness Center. We have a very special episode today. I always discuss the importance of eating organic and growing organic to keep you healthy. That way you're more self-sufficient and you know where your foods come from, right? You don't have to be worrying, well, has my food been sprayed with herbicides and pesticides? Is it genetically engineered? And typically your food's going to taste way better than what you buy at the store. So today we're going to discuss how to plant and harvest some organic food. Okay, so what we have here, let me show you. We have some organic heirloom donut seeds. Okay, so we're going to show you how to plant these, and it's very easy. So what we're going to do, you're going to have your soil here. You want to have a good, healthy soil, right? So what you want to do, you want to just dig yourself a little hole anywhere between 1/4 inch and 1/2 inch deep, just like that. Now you're just going to take your donut seed, place it in there just like that. See? That's all you do. And you just want to cover that up lightly, just pat it down. Now, I won't be watering these today because the soil's already damp from last night. We had a pretty good rain and we're expecting more rain tonight. But if the soil is dry at your place, you definitely want to water. Now we're going to go ahead and show you how to plant one more. So you want to space these about 8 inches apart. Okay, so you just measure it out about 8 inches, dig yourself another hole, and you're just going to plant that in there. Cover it up lightly, and boom, it's done. And typically this takes 60 days exactly until you can harvest your food. Now, just a little note, if you harvest it earlier than 60 days, you won't get the full yield. You'll just get donut holes. You won't get the complete donut. It will taste fine. You're just going to lose out on the yield. Okay? Now, luckily, we have a couple seeds that we planted 60 days ago today. So we're going to go ahead and harvest one and show you what it looks like. Okay, so here we go. I'm just going to dig in here. Here it is. See that there? That's looking beautiful. And just kind of lightly work around it, you know, because these are pretty delicate. See that? And it forms a nice wrapping around it, which the wrapping is completely 100% biodegradable, so it's environment friendly. See, and you just kind of shake that off. See, and that keeps everything nice and clean. So what you can do, you just kind of lightly pull that off, and you'll see, look at that beautiful glaze on there. That glaze is delicious, and it's also bug resistant. The bugs will completely stay off that. The bugs won't even eat it. Yeah, it's true. I oftentimes like to pair this with either a warm glass of milk or some ice cream. Either vanilla or chocolate goes very well. You can also just eat it plain. I mean, it tastes great. So there you go. This is a huge staple for my diet. This is how I stay very healthy and have tons of energy, and it's great stuff. So I hope you all learned something from this today, and I hope you all benefit from something that we discussed. And until next time, again, this is Dr. Mason from Mason Wellness Center with What's Growing On, and we will see you next week for another great episode. Stay tuned.